Alrighty, here we go. Box of Dominion for MNum. Good luck, sir. By the way, MNum, you got a big package was on its way today for you as well. So that's got all your best of hockey and stuff like that in it. Sounds good, Dress. Appreciate it, sir. No booklet. Let's slide a little bit here. Okay. You get a nice one in there. All right. Paul Stastny, number to 100. Number to 100, Paul Stastny. Yarrow Halak, number to 199. Martin Brodeur, 199. Number to 199, Brad Malone, rookie auto. Nice. Brett Bulmer, rookie patch auto, number to 199. Nice little patch on there. Mammoth jersey, number to 50 of Greg Nemish. Jersey number to 100, Brad Boys. And nice 3-color patch and autograph number 10 of 25, Sid the Kid Crosby. Beauty. Sidney Crosby. One of the better patches I've seen on this. I think this is the third one of these we pulled, and best patch so far. So MNum, there you have it.